Hello friends, it's Trisha on Freedom Hill. Look at our family room. Look at this. The 1960s paneling is gone. Beautiful yellow walls are here instead. Baseboards are finished. Crown molding is done. Winston, always getting in on the action. We love how this room turned out. I haven't put anything on the walls, so pictures. I have the kids' senior pictures and some family pictures and things. I just have a few out on some tabletops. This piece my son picked up along the side of the road. The boys' computer in that corner. That looks a little messy. David's gonna make some shelves, build some shelves up in that cubbyhole area. This is where the built-ins were. The windows were completed yesterday. They had installed them a month ago, but put the wrong size molding on them. So yesterday they did that. We just have to prime and finish painting the rest of the windows. I moved this shelf in here and kind of put some of my favorite books and decor items. For this corner, my little dollhouse that I'm putting together for the grandkids is sitting here for now. We have a couple boxes full of games that I have yet to deal with. Actually, I don't have a place to store them right now. I'm going to have to get creative. But then we watch TV in here. Say hello, Winston. Lots of homemade pillows on the couches, and the blankets protect the back when the cats like to jump up. So that is our family room. Don't you love it? All these windows, the beautiful color, and just the space. The space itself is beautiful. Thanks for coming along. When I get the walls decorated and pictures up and all that sort of thing finished, I'll bring you along on another tour. Bye for now.